Now, Isaac Fayose.com can't rate praises on Wike, and he criticized the Northerners, the Northern leaders. I want to make you watch this video before I go.
I can tell you without fear or nothing, majority of our Northern leaders are lazy. Majority of our Northern governors are lazy. Not all, majority. Majority of them are very, very lazy. Take for example, in the last 24 years, we've had Northern minister in FCT. Can you compare what they've done to what Wike has done in the last 2 years? No, I'm not scared of anybody, and you can come for me and say, oh, Isaac, you are tribalistic, or you are this, you are that. I don't care. But truth be told, majority of Northern leaders are lazy, very lazy, and the laziness is affecting their youth and the growth. It's so sad that you look at them. Look, for example, now we have certain FCT minister. We have Bumi Ojo. He's a Sataner. Look at what he's doing. Go to our airports now. Look at what is going on there. Look at what is going on there. And we used to have a Northerner there that went to bring a fake plane, say Nigerian Air. Where is the plane today? Up till now, we are still waiting for the Nigerian Air to move, to fly. Up till now. Look at what is happening in Zamfara. Imagine Wike as Zamfara governor. Is it possible for them to be stealing his gold and we will be watching them? Majority of Northern governors, Northern ministers, majority of them are lazy. I'm saying this I don't care what you think of me. I don't care in the comment section what you say. Majority of our northern leaders are very, very lazy. That is why we have so many Almanjiri in the north. It's because their leaders are lazy. Look at the airport. Look at what Kiyami is doing. Festus Kiyami at the airport. Go to the airport now. You can't compare it. So I believe in my own thinking, I have no copyright to what I say. In my own thinking, I believe our northern leaders, majority of them are lazy. Do you think Wike will be governor of Benue State and they will be buying his people and they will be looking, they will be crying every day? He will not do that. He would have done something. Look at that pastor there, or Reverend Father. He's just there crying every day. And when President decided to come, he was clearing the road, making the road nice. So he didn't know before that he would make the road nice. I say this without fear or anything. Northern leaders are lazy. In the last 24 years, can you compare the development in Abuja and now? I beg.
If we want to be honest, yes, I was part of the people who were raining so much praises on Wike while they were doing a lot of infrastructural works, or rather, in River State, when he was the governor of River State. I was part of the people. I only started lambasting Wike when I got to know that he was satanic and he embraced satanism. He supported and rigged the election against Peter Obi and all that. Yes. But when it comes to infrastructure, I don't know what you can say. But if you check all the ministers that Tinubu have today, you know, Olubunmi, Wike, just these 3 or 2, they are doing well. What do I have to say? This is NAIJA Watch Media. Join us every day, 7 p.m. Nigerian time. Let's continue to talk about the things that are fitting right now. Take care, guys, and bye for now.